Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Twitch profile image from a mobile phone. So in the past, this was actually impossible to do in the Twitch app, so you had to use the browser on your phone, which was a little bit complicated. But with the latest update to the Twitch app on both Android and iPhone, it's very easy to change your Twitch profile image on your cell phone inside the app. And keep in mind that I'll be performing the steps on an iPhone, but I will point out differences that I've noticed when doing the same steps on an Android phone. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply select our profile image in the top left up here. This will bring us to our profile. All we need to do from here is open up the settings by selecting the gear in the top right. On an Android phone, this will be three little dots up in the top right, so just select that. Once the menu opens at the bottom, go ahead and select settings. And then in the settings, we're going to select account at the top, so it should be the first one. Now on an iPhone, it'll say edit profile, but on an Android phone, it'll say edit bio. So go ahead and select that. And then in here, we can add information to our bio, or we can change our profile image by selecting select image on an iPhone, or just selecting the profile image on our Android phone. So when I select that, it's going to give us a couple options. We can either take an image right now, we can choose an existing image that is on our cell phone, or we can select cancel. I'm going to go to choose existing photo. And you will have to grant the app access to your photos, so it should give you an option to just select grant access, but because I've already dismissed that, I have to go into the settings on my iPhone and then actually select read write for that. So once I do that, it'll open up the camera roll on my phone and I can go into photos, and I could select the image I want to use for my profile image. Now keep in mind here, we can zoom in, and what you want to do is make sure that that box that is not grayed out is full. So as you can see, this image is a widescreen image. So if I were to choose this like right now, it's going to look really weird looking because the image was so wide. So what I need to do is select that image again, and then make sure when I get to this screen, I zoom in so that the top and the bottom meet that gray area and we have a nice square. All right, choose that. And then there you go, you change your Twitch profile image on the app. Now all we need to do is simply select save. Then when we go back to our account, you can see that the profile image has been updated to the taco. Now keep in mind, this might take a little bit of time to change on twitch.tv or websites or other people's apps, just because they may have your older image downloaded already. So just give it a couple hours to update. All right, so that's how you change your Twitch profile image on your phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.